Pros and cons of the Insta360 X5. Pros. Captures up to 8K video and stunning 72MP stills. Features a large, user-friendly touchscreen. Comes with intuitive editing presets and app support. Waterproof up to 49 feet. Enhanced wind reduction compared to the previous model. Compatible with a wide range of accessories. Overview. The Insta360 X5, $549.99, represents the latest addition to Insta360's impressive lineup of 360-degree action cameras. While it shares several specifications with its predecessor, the X4, $499.99, the X5 introduces significant upgrades, including larger image sensors, user-replaceable lenses, improved waterproofing, and a newly designed wind guard. Enhanced battery life and upgraded software for mobile and desktop users further amplify its appeal. With AI-powered editing templates, the X5 enables swift and creative output, earning the Editor's Choice Award as a top-tier 360-degree camera. Price and bundles. Standard package, $549.99, includes the camera, USB-C cable, soft case, and lens cloth. Essentials bundle, $659.99, adds an extra battery, fast-charging case, hard carry case, lens cap, lens guards, and Insta360's renowned invisible selfie stick, 44.9-inch version. This bundle makes capturing overhead and bird's-eye footage seamless, as the software erases the stick from view.